Hi everyone, Nevada Nail Person. So it's rather late. I just got home from my office holiday dinner. Yes, we have them in January, not December. And I received my Beautylish 2018 Lucky Box. So I could not wait. I mean, I love this stuff. So I couldn't wait. So I wanted to film it, so I might as well just do it in front of the camera. I haven't made too many videos lately, but I just wanted to show you what I got. So it says on the card, and it's still secure, Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. And then it's hashtag Lucky Bag 2018 hashtag Beautylish. So it is based on a Japanese tradition where retailers would package their goods in a bag, a grab bag, if you will, so you don't know what you get, but it's a reduced price as well. So that's basically what this is. So I have this beautiful paper, which is really interesting, and it has, little people. I'll show you on in a minute. I don't know if it's in an actual bag or it's just packaged up nicely. So I think it's just wrapped up, so I don't see what's in here yet. But there's the paper. My husband's already cleaned the box. So it's this cute wrapping paper. So that's kind of interesting. I might just save that. It's kind of interesting. So yeah. So let's get into, this is the lighter. I think maybe it's just the packaging. I don't think there's anything in here per se. So that's just the wrapping. I'll just throw that down for now. So first off, I see something from Charlotte Tilbury. And let's see. It's called Look in a Box. And I do have one of these, I think. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Look in a Box, and it's the smoky eye, and I think these came in, they did ask if you what shade range your complexion would be, because they were matching up. They were fair to medium and then deep to very deep, so two different. So I'm just going to open this and see if it's the one I have. So maybe it's not. So that's what it looks like. So I don't think I'm going to swatch it just in case, because if I do have this, then it's going to go in a giveaway. So that's the first thing, a palette from Charlotte Tilbury. And I want to say the one I got was probably around $50, $60, $70, and this box was $75. So that's almost the cost right there. And then this is one of my favorites. This is the Orbe Wave and Shine Spray. And this is an expensive product. It's kind of like a hybrid dry shampoo and texturizer as well. So I love this. It's cold for being outside. And excuse me if I look horrible. Again, my makeup's been on like 15 hours because I just got home from dinner. And a Wayne Goss brush. This is the number 10 Wayne Goss brush. I don't purchase much from Beautylish, so odds are I don't have a lot of these things. And this is just, it feels so good. It's so soft. So this looks like almost like a highlighter, maybe under eye type brush. extremely soft. Very happy with that. Then I have Jeffree Star lipstick, and this is in the shade Checkmate. Oh, he's going to be really happy to know he's in the lucky bags. I do not own this. This is like an orangey shade, so good for summer. So let me try that. Okay, so that might not be everyone's cup of tea, but I don't mind wearing an orangey lip in the summer. So actually I'm very happy to have this, and this is probably, I think, like $16, $18. I can only imagine what the Wayne Goss brush would be. I'll have to look up all the pricing of these products, and I'll leave that in the description box below. And I got some kind of, oh, okay. That makes me happy. This is a jar of something. This is a, oh, it's nail polish. It's a Smith & Colt. I've never had one of these. I think it's nail polish. It says 1972, 8 free. It must be nail polish. Yep, it's nail polish. So it's an interesting color. It's like a rose gold. And I think it's 1972. Yeah, I think it's 1972. I'm not sure. But it's definitely a beautiful polish. This, you don't want to throw this at someone. You could hurt them. It's very heavy. Wow, interesting. And then this is a mask. Solwasu Snow Eyes Brightening Mask. So I'm all about that mask life. And then the final product in here is from Jouer, and I don't own a thing from Jouer. And this is the Powder Highlighter Trio. Citrine, Rose Quartz, and Topaz. I almost bought this. So it's the mini highlighters that came out just recently. Oh my gosh. So that's what it looks like when you open it. So they're little mini highlighters that I can't get out. Oh wow. So this is citrine, mirrored packaging. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. I've heard very good things about their highlighters. Oh, that's the perfect highlighter. That's exactly what I like. So that's citrine. This box is definitely worth $75. I'll just take them out. This next highlighter is Rose Quartz. Oh, it's very metallic, mirror finish. Oh, this is beautiful too. So that's Rose Quartz. Oh, that's pretty. So there's Rose Quartz. Very pretty. Very smooth and buttery. And the final shade is called Topaz. Oh, I stuck my nail in it a little, sorry. So that is Topaz, and actually looks like I can get away with that shade as well. So that is Topaz. Beautiful highlighters. So this little mini trio, beautiful. I'm impressed. Very happy. I'm very grateful to be able to afford this. 1 year I couldn't get it because I wasn't working, so I did get it in 2017 and now in 2018, so very happy with this. So we got the mask, the highlighter trio, and this beautiful packaging from Jouer. So that's the outer packaging. We have the Smith & Colt nail polish that is probably a half a pound. I have one of my favorites, Orbe, the Après Beach Wave and Shine Spray, the Jeffree Star Checkmate liquid lipstick in that bright orange color, Wayne Goss brush number 10, and this Charlotte Tilbury Smoky Eye Beauty. And I believe I don't have this one because the one I do have had a shade range that you had to pick, and this does not state a particular shade name, so it's just a Smoky Eye face kit. Very happy with this. Highly recommend if you have the chance next year. Definitely check it out. If you don't shop on Beautylish very often, chances are you're going to get products you don't already have, which unfortunately that has happened with me with Too Faced when they have their mystery bags. I have a lot of Too Faced products, and the last year that I purchased it, everything in the mystery box I already owned, so I had to give away back then. So there it is. That's the lucky box for 2018. Thumbs up. Great. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll leave the bubble here to subscribe, and I'll feature last year's lucky bag as well so you can check it out. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.